Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make candy in a blender. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to the final delicious bite. You'll learn the fundamental steps, ensuring your homemade candies are both tasty and fun to make. Get ready to explore a sweet new world of culinary creativity right in your kitchen, using tools you already own. Now, let's talk ingredients and preparation. You'll need basic items like granulated sugar, corn syrup, and your chosen flavorings. For some recipes, you might melt 1/2 cup of chocolate or dissolve 2 tablespoons of gelatin in warm water. Always measure precisely, as candy making is a science. Having everything prepped before you start blending will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, we move to the exciting part, blending and shaping your candy. Carefully add your prepared ingredients to the blender, ensuring it's not overfilled. Blend until the mixture is perfectly smooth, with no lumps. Then, pour the liquid candy into your desired molds or spread it evenly on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Let it cool at room temperature or chill it for about 1 hour until firm. Finally, let's add those finishing touches and discuss storage. Once your candies are set, you can get creative with decorations, perhaps a light dusting of powdered sugar or some colorful sprinkles. Proper storage is key to keeping your treats delicious. An airtight container will keep them fresh for up to 2 weeks. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade candy, and don't be afraid to experiment with new flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.